welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for joining us again. Now, I know I look like a granny.
Hey there, sugar. How you doing? Thanks for watching my video.
That's okay, because as you can see by the title of this video, we're going to be trying a new bob wig from Celie hair. Now, this was not sent to me. I paid for it with my own coins, y'all, with my own coins. So this will be my honest opinion. Even if it was paid like sent to me free, I would still give you my honest opinion, but I just wanted to put that out there. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So this is how the hair comes, you guys. It came in this bag right here. Now, I'm not gonna say this is how all the hair comes. I know, like I said, I bought this with my own money, but I feel like if you buy a wig from them, then they'll give you this or a box. If you buy bundles, then they'll give you like another bag, because my friend just bought some hair from them and they came in like a greenish plastic bag like this. This is not the hair, but this is an example. Like, this is the plastic bag and then this is the silky bag. So let's see what we got in this bag. So we have the wig, which we'll get to in a second. And they sent us some stuff. They gave us these mink 3D eyelashes, and it says Celie hair. And on the back it has their Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook information. And they also gave us a pack of 2 wig caps in the color tan, I guess. Which is nice. So it seems like it'll match me pretty good. They also included this elastic band, like the bra strap one. I didn't see it till now, so that's why it looks like this. But yeah, that was included too. And then that was the last thing that they gave us besides their little flyer. If that's important for you, then you keep that. But what's important for me is this bag. Like, this is where I put my wigs after I take them off, so that way I don't have to bunch them up. But anyway, onto the wig. So what I got was a 13x4 wig in the color natural, and it's a straight 14 inches, and it's 180% density. What I ordered actually was the HD transparent lace, and that's what this is supposed to be. They told me that their transparent lace is light brown lace, which, you know, some people are advertising light brown lace as transparent lace, but I feel like it's not the same. But we'll see how I like it. So it comes in this net. It does have like that hair smell. Like, it doesn't stink, it just smells funny, if that makes sense. So they give you this plastic garbage, and then these clips to hold on the styrofoam, and then the styrofoam, and then this is what the inside of the wig is looking like. This is 13x4. This is the wig construction. As you can see, they have 3 combs in the back. Well, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and 1 in the middle. And they have this lace in the back, I guess, if you wanted to put up your hair in a ponytail. And then they also has, I wouldn't say this is pre-plugged. I think it claims to be. I'll see if I can find the picture and then put it in the video. But this hair feels really good. Like, it feels really, really good. Yeah. This lace, this is what the lace looks like. I mean, hold on, wait, let me try to move this hair out the way. I'm tan, so it seems to work for me. But if you're not tan, like if you're lighter than me, then it's not transparent lace, you know what I mean? If you're darker than me, or if you're the same color as me, I feel like you could work with this lace. Like, it's pretty darn transparent for me. And if you're darker than me, you just have to use lace tint or makeup. And then if you're lighter than me, girl, I don't know, because it's not transparent. It's light brown, but I like it. So now I'm just trying on the wig before I go ahead and do my ball cap method. I have on a wig grip. Just trying to see like how it fits before I go ahead and use glue. It was on the smaller side, so this I wouldn't say is big head friendly, but if you have the same size head as me, which is like 22.5 or smaller, I'm pretty sure you can make it work. Also, these are what the ends look like before I go ahead and blunt cut them. So I did go ahead and flat iron this off camera, and now I'm just using my hot comb to smooth down the hair a bit, and then I'm going to put it on my head. So I put on the wig just to cut it. I didn't glue it down yet. I'll show you guys that in a second, but this is where I want it to be, so I'm just cutting it. Helps if you have on a shirt like that you can use as a marker, like where the words are. So I just take it and blunt cut it, nothing special. Alright, so I do have the glue in the middle already, so I'm just trying to place this and line it up. I'm using bold hold. I use 3 layers. So because the wig is smaller, I do want to focus on just placing the lace where I want it to before I secure the back in place. And then I'm just taking my rat tail comb and just smoothing that hair into the glue so that it sticks. So now I'm going to do the same thing to this side. The glue is down. I just didn't feel like showing you guys the whole process of me putting on the layers and it drying because I didn't think you guys wanted to see that. But I am using the comb to smooth the hair or the lace into the glue. So that's what I did in the middle, and that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm just over here laying down the last side. Now this was a little bit of a struggle because of the smallness of the wig. So I do recommend, if it's like a smaller wig and you're really trying to wear it, then just lay the lace down first before you put the back down, because no one's really going to see the back. The front is what's important. So now I'm just taking this elastic band after the glue is in place, and I'm just going to tie this down and let it sit for about like 10 or so minutes, just until I feel like it's dry enough or laid down enough. Alright, after that 10 minutes is up, I did go out and separate what I want to be my baby hairs, and then I'm just using this Gots to Be Freeze spray and just placing that also in the lace. I do recommend working fast because once I started to spray that, it did start to move the wig just a little bit, so you want to hurry up and tie it back down to let it dry, so that way it is stuck in place after you have this on there. And then I did use my blow dry to speed up the drying process, and it was about another 10 or 15 minutes. After that time is up, you do want to go ahead and take off the elastic band and comb out the crunch. I did like put a part in there just real quick, but nothing special. And now I'm going to be going in and cutting off the lace with a razor comb. You do want to be very, very, very careful here because you don't want to cut yourself or your client if you're doing this on someone else. You don't want to take your time. This is sped up, but I am going pretty slow here. Now I'm just going in and cutting off the baby hairs, and then I will go in with some Gots to Be gel in the black bottle and lay them down. So a lot of people ask me how do I do my baby hairs, and it's really in repetition. Like, you have to repeat the movement over and over until you get it right. Like, it doesn't matter to me how long it takes me, as long as I get it right eventually, so that way my baby hairs can be looking nice and slayed and laid, you know what I mean? And you have to use both hands. You see how I'm like moving my other finger across the baby hairs while I'm laying them? Yeah, that's what you need to do. Also, y'all, I am excited because, like, look at this lace. This is the best installation that I've ever done on myself, period. Period, you know what I mean? And now I'm just going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color number 9. And then I'm just, like, defining the part a little bit. And now I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified for when I post new videos. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!